Kia Soul, brake pedal removal. 1. Turn ignition switch off and disconnect the negative battery cable. 2. Remove the crash pad lower panel. 3. Disconnect the stop lamp switch connector. 4. Remove the stop lamp switch. 5. Remove the brake pedal member mounting bolt, A. 6. Remove the snap pin, A, and clevis pin, B. 7. Remove the brake pedal member assembly mounting nuts and then remove the brake pedal assembly. Kia Soul, brake pedal installation. 1. Pre-tighten the bracket fixing bolt in dash panel. 2. Install the brake booster and brake pedal member fixing nuts securely. 3. Tighten the bolt, A, securely in dash panel. 4. Install the snap pin, A, and clevis pin, B. Before installing the pin, apply the grease to the clevis pin. Use a new snap pin whenever installing. 5. Install the stop lamp switch securely. 6. Connect the stop lamp switch connector. 7. Adjust the brake pedal height and free play. 8. Check the brake pedal operation after installing the brake pedal. 9. Install the crash pad lower panel. 10. Reconnect the battery negative cable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more great content.